Alright guys, we're at Barber Light, and we're going to try to win these headphones with that MP3 player. Let's see.
Wait, this right here?
No, the blue ones.
Oh.
So, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's sick.
Alright, here we go. Dang. That was close. I think that was me. Oh yes. Oh my gosh, that was dead on. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh, I see it. You made,
yes,
yeah.
I can get this, guys. The good part is I don't have to.
I've never seen anyone win this. I mean, I've seen it in your videos, but.
Alright, sweet. Here we go, here we go.
Oh.
I missed it. Wow.
It's $1. Oh, that stinks.
Yeah. Try one more. There we go.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, how is that not cutting it? Are you serious? Yes.
Oh my gosh, you got it.
Nice.
Wow.
Oh,
dude, that's
yeah.
sick.
Got the stereo cube headphones and the MP3 player.
Nice.
Awesome.
For like $3, I think.
$4. Yeah, $4.
That's awesome.
Sweet.
Nice win.
Alright. Okay. She's up. Oh yeah. There we go.
Come on, there we go. Nice.
Finally.
Good win. Second thing from Barber Light.
Yes, second prize.
Nice, a pink camera. Exactly what we'll need.